Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking scope. Name the 2 or 3 main tasks your dashboard must enable and why they matter. Next, pick a stack that matches team skill, React or Vue with TypeScript, and a chosen design system speeds consistent UI. Once done, map the information architecture: top navigation, left rail for sections, main content grid, and responsive breakpoints. These actions let you build a minimal, testable shell immediately so you can iterate with real interactions rather than theory. You now implement the central pieces. Start with atomic components, buttons, inputs, cards, tables, each with clear props and accessibility attributes so they compose reliably. Then build the data layer: a typed API client, caching strategy, and consistent loading/error states so UI reflects backend behavior. Once those are stable, assemble the layout grid with responsive columns and modular panels. Add drag, drop, or resize interactions if necessary. This sequence keeps complexity manageable while enabling rapid feature assembly and testing. You finish by polishing UX and hardening the product. Add micro-interactions, keyboard navigation, area roles, and clear focus states so users move confidently. Next, optimize performance. Lazy load non-critical widgets, virtualize long lists, and measure impact with Lighthouse. Finally, deploy with CI, including automated tests, storybook snapshots, and a rollback plan. If a widget fails, first check the API contract and console network calls. Make sure cached schema matches backend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.